Students stabbed to death at Kingston Technical High School. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A student of the Kingston Technical High School was stabbed to death allegedly by another student on Thursday afternoon on the school compound in the country's capital city. Information reaching Links 007 TV News is that two students, both girls said to be in grade 11, were involved in a fight when a knife was brought into play and used to stop the other. The victim was reportedly stabbed several times during the incident, which occurred before 3 p.m. Crime scene investigators were quick on the scene, and a large crowd gathered outside the institution on Old Harbor Street. The deceased schoolgirl has so far been identified as 16-year-old Michion Campbell. Her schoolmate, who is alleged to have inflicted the deadly wounds, is a 17-year-old schoolgirl. She is now in police custody. According to police report, Michion and the fellow grade 11 students were at school when a dispute developed between them before 3 p.m. According to police reports, Michion and the fellow grade 11 students were at school when a dispute developed between them before 3 p.m. It's alleged that they both received injury during the fight. Michion received stab wounds to her face and neck. They were both taken to hospital where Michion succumbed to her injuries and the other girl treated and released in the police custody. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.